If you want to turn off autocorrection and predictive text on your iPhone, I'll show you exactly where to find these settings. First, open the Settings app. Then, tap General. From here, scroll down and tap Keyboard. Now, you'll see a few different options for your keyboard. First, look for autocorrection. If you don't want your iPhone to automatically correct the words you're typing, simply turn this option off. Next, you'll see predictive text. Turn this off if you don't want your iPhone to show word suggestions while you're typing. On newer versions of iOS, turning off predictive text will also remove the suggestions that appear above the keyboard. Just keep in mind that these are two different settings. Turning off autocorrection stops your iPhone from automatically changing the words you type, while turning off predictive text removes the word suggestions. So, if you want both features completely turned off, make sure both autocorrection and predictive text are disabled. And that's how you can turn off autocorrection and predictive text on your iPhone. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.